fact that they sponsored Leeds Football Club, I just took them as being a proper investment platform.
We had lost £341,000 within 7 days. One of the main things he was saying, Phil, you do realise you're going to be a millionaire.
Come on, Lee!
So I was just watching it go down, down, down.
So FXVC, as far as I'm concerned, were just a platform to con people into investment.
So
There was no real investment there. They don't care who they hurt. They don't care who they take money off.
There's an unavoidable link between a supporter and their club and the companies that are affiliated with them. So for organisations to take advantage of that with mistruths, they have to be stopped.